How to hide and unhide Snapchat charms. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, we will see that how you can hide and also unhide Snapchat charms. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So open your Snapchat app and go to chats and open the your friend's profile of which you want to hide or unhide charms. Now go to your friend's profile by tapping on your friend's profile picture in the top left corner. Now here scroll down and here you will see the charms. So to hide the charms, open the charm you want to hide and here tap on these three dots in the top right corner of that charm and here you will get the option to hide the charm. So tap on it and tap on it again to hide and that charm is hidden. But the thing is that you can hide all of these charms, only you can hide some of the charms. So for example, if I want to hide this charm and I tap on three dots, there is no option to hide the charm. So now to unhide the charm, as per Snapchat, there should be an option of unhide in the bottom here, but it looks like there is no option, and this option to unhide the charm is only available in the iOS device. I'm using Android, so there is no option of unhide charm for me. So guys, this was it for this video. Thanks for watching.